it's not me, it's you. I could say you know it damn way like I do. Say you're moving on, well I guess that's just emotion. I guess that's just emotion. I guess that's just emotion. I guess that's just emotion.
Hello? Filming a YouTube video. Now? Okay, give me like 20 minutes. Alright. Bye. Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I'm back with a new video and we are featuring Ashimary hair. Big thank you to Ashimary for sponsoring today's video. Now let's jump into this look. So as you can see, I got somewhere to go. I'm going on a date. Okay, so I have this perfect pre-styled body wave short bob. I have this in 16 inches. These are all the free gifts that come inside. I'm showing you what this wig looks like on the website and it matches what you get in person. You have a drawstring in the nape. You have an adjustable elastic band as well as combs inside. This is pre-styled with pre-cut lace, natural hairline, completely beginner friendly. For this one in particular, it only is $129. And when I tell you I was able to put this on and go on my date, yeah, I was able to do that. So this fit perfect. It fit so snug with all the reinforcements in there. As you can see right here, I'm using the drawstring and I am cinching that. And I'm just going to tuck that in the nape so you can't see it. Once I'm done with that, all I really had to do was fluff out these curls because as you can see, it's pre-curled and it has that really nice S body wave on the side. They even hooked you up with a little baby hair swoop. Okay, now I know some people don't like baby hairs. You can always comb that back into the hairline. Not to mention the hairline is plucked to perfection. So I use a little hairspray just to hold the curls in the place that I want them, run my fingers through, and I'm ready to go. This has to be the easiest wig that I have installed in a long time. No curling iron, no hot comb, no nothing. I literally just put this on and go. And then when you're done wearing it like this, it isn't going to take much to restyle it because they already did the work for you. You just follow like the guideline outline that they gave you as far as restyling the wig. But as far as the initial install, you see it. Baby, just put her on and go. I'm going to show you what this looks like once I went outside because it was given straight scalp in the sun. Y'all know the sun is a natural filter, the best filter, and I loved how good this hair looked outside. So definitely check all the links in the description box in case you are interested. Big shout out to Ashimary for sponsoring today's video. I have a whole playlist of a bunch of different wigs from them. I have tried quite a few. They are always consistent. I have tried their 360 wigs. I've tried closure wigs. I've tried long, curly, straight, all of that. Also, I want you to see how cute this looks when I put this up in like a little claw clip. And I did like a little braid on the side, but to wear it out, I wore it just how it came. But I did show you a few different ways you can wear this. Let me know what you think about this wig down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.